Let's understand how we can create a account on a Checkpoint Firewall. So once you come to your browser, just type Checkpoint Firewall and go to the Checkpoint Firewall site. For example, I'm just going here. Once you are here, say login, and then you have to sign up. When you click to the sign up, it will ask you for your email address and the password, and then it verify that using your email address inbox. Checkpoint send an email to you mentioning that this account activation needed and you have to click that. I have shown these steps in various other videos, so you can watch those things. There is nothing much here, just a normal sign up what we do. Once you are done with the sign up, you can just log into your account just the way I am doing. So I'll let me do this. Yeah, so Checkpoint always recommend to use a two-factor authentication. So you can have the like Google Authenticator installed so that you can use this. I use another method here. I'll use, say, if you can see authentication app or a phone, whatever. I'll try with the phone. My number is mentioned on a side so they can verify me while why giving a text message. So I just receive a text message. I'm just entering the code. Enter. So this is done. You can see here there is my name appear and I am logged in right now. Next thing, what you need to do, you have to click to asset and info and click to my account. So I have already account created, but if you don't have the account created, you just have to click create account. And you have to fill in this information, and after filling in this information, your account get created, and then it will be look like the account what I have, for example, like this, right? So this step is important and you need to have an account to be created so that you can download a license for Checkpoint products, various products, in this case for the SD-WAN. So make sure you create this, and once this is done, we'll be going for the license download. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and have a wonderful day.